Hi friends, do you want to make your doll move or make a robot? Then you have to learn microcontroller. We will be learning here Arduino in an easy way. This is the Arduino Uno board. This is the USB connected to the PC to load the code. This is the external power supply. These two pins are the ground pin and this is the input power supply pin. This pin will give 5 volt and this will give 3.3 volt. These are the analog input port. These pins are from 0 to 13 digital input or output port and few are PWM port. These two are UART port. This is the reset button. Download Arduino IDE. It is an open source tool. This is the link to download it. Now I am using the Arduino Uno board for my first project. There are many versions like the Arduino Mega, Arduino Leonardo, Arduino Nano and Arduino Pro Mini. I'm using the Arduino Uno. These are the connections of our first LED blinking project. I'm using a 350 ohm resistor and a LED. Now you can see the flat side is the cathode, or the shorter leg is cathode and the longer leg is anode. I'm using a breadboard and some wires. Connect the wire to the ground pin and to the breadboard and connect the LED to the breadboard. And now the register. Take another wire and connect it to port 12 and plug it in into the PC. Open Arduino IDE. Now go to Tools and select Arduino Uno. Now go to port, you will get a COM13. Then you will get a board info that your board is connected to the PC. Now we are going to write our program here. I have made the port 12 as output and port 12 as high. I gave delay of 1000 millisecond and again the port 12 low and delay of 1000 millisecond. This will go in a loop continuously. Now compile and upload it. Now our first project is ready as the LED is blinking. Congrats, you have done your first Arduino project. Now let's do some input activity. I'm using a push to on switch and connecting it to the breadboard. Now use some wires and a register. Now connect the wire to 5 volt, which is high. And connect the register. Now take another wire and connect it to port 2. Plug it in. Now I have made the port 2 as input Now read the digital status of port 2. If it is high, then the following code will execute, which is nothing but the LED blinking code. Now when you press the switch, the LED will blink. When you leave it, it won't. If you press it again, it will blink. So what are you waiting for? Start coding as it is easy. Friends, like the video and share it to your other friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get early notification.